Look at those feet. You're kicking your socks off. Hi. How you doing? You having fun? Say hello. Say hello. Hello. There's a big smile. There's a big smile. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Yes, you are. Look at those toys going. Look at those feet. There you are. I see ya. What's that? Oh, did you get the hiccups? Those are big white eyes. You can't take your toes off yet. You're getting close. You're getting close. Keep kicking. Keep kicking. Come on, you can get it off. Yes. What's that? What's that? Really? I don't know. That's a big smile. That's a big smile. Where you at? Hi. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? I see you. Oh, you got it. You kicked one off. Yay! Onto the floor. Look at that toe, and I gotta pick it up. Oh, kick the camera. Don't kick the camera. There you are. There you are. Yes. Should we see what you're looking at? Should we see what these toys look like? They're very cute. There's an owl. See the owl? Yes, the owl's my favorite too. She has lost one sock. One sock. Got a little airplane on the bottom. It's very cute. Getting ready to lose the other one. Say hello to the camera. Hi. Hi.